So here we have the BMW 320 Diesel M Sport Touring on a 16 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you see from the outside, you've got those 19-inch M Sport alloys, tinted windows around the rear. Let's start off inside the boot and then we can work around the rest of the car from there. So the boot on this car will open electronically off of the key. All you have to do is push that button and it's as easy as that. As you can see, there's plenty of boot space along with those 3 individually folding rear seats as well. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in great condition the whole way around. It looks really good in white as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get full leather seats, which are in fantastic condition, as are the carpet areas. There's a lot to run through on this car, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the fuel gauge, followed by the speedometer and then the rev counter. And in the middle at the bottom, you'll see the total miles on this car are 23,325. You can change the information that's displayed just above that by pressing the button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we've got cruise control and speed limiter on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So once you've paired up your phone, hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list and it will do that for you. It also works for things like satellite navigation as well. Over in the middle here is where the phone itself is initially set up. Now you can see at the moment I'm moving through the various menus. That is all done using BMW's iDrive system. So turning that will take you through the menus. You can then select things, you can jog it to the right, left, up or down, or you can get into these main menus just through the touch of a button should you wish to. We're going to use the dial. So at the very top, first of all, this car's got various different multimedia inputs. So if we select that, you can see we've got a CD player. In terms of external devices, this car's got auxiliary and USB input as well as Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can stream your music wirelessly as well. It has FM, AM and DAB digital radio. You can pair up your phone just there, and then it has satellite navigation as well. Now this is BMW's professional nav, so it's the extra wide screen, as you can see when you see the image of the map just there. In terms of jogging the dial to the left and right for various menus, you can see there's a menu down the left here. If I jog that dial to the left, we can access that menu, which is where you can change various different settings, as you can see. And if I press menu, we go right the way back to the main menu again. The other thing that's on here, which I think is really fantastic and very, very clear, easy to use, is the full colour reversing camera. You get the guidelines, which show you which direction the car is headed in relation to what you can see behind you as well. Working our way down from there, we've got the CD player, and then we have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature independently on the left and right hand sides of the car. Fan speed is adjustable just here. And then you've got driver and passenger heated seats as well. That button will turn the air conditioning on, or you can hit auto and the car will maintain those temperatures for you. Then have a couple of cup holders underneath here and a 12-volt charging socket. The fully automatic gearbox. To the right hand side of that, there's a couple of different driver setups you can change. At the minute the car is in comfort mode, which is the kind of normal driving mode. If we hit sport, it will stiffen the car suspension slightly, make the steering slightly more responsive, and the accelerator pedal will react faster to what you do. And essentially, Eco Pro is the exact reverse of that. It makes the car a bit more docile. The iDrive system we've already been through, and in the central armrest, we've got the auxiliary and USB input that I mentioned a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.